but it would just be really nice to keep the music alive, which I think it in many ways is being kept alive. Especially these kind of things like Yiddish Sommerweihnacht and Stille Köln and Klezmer and Klezkamp and all these kind of things and festivals, they really keep it alive and put a sparkle into it, and people meet up from like the Yiddish community or the Yiddish music community, and it's just a wonderful way to share experiences and share tunes and all this kind of stuff. And also when we have the internet available for us, it's really so much easier just finding a tune, because you can just Google all of the tunes and you can find archives that are free on the internet and all this kind of stuff. Where I just heard this week actually, before they had to exchange cassette tapes and all these kind of things, and it was just not as available. And so everything, like all of the old tunes and old recordings, they've become very available, which is amazing, because it's just I can always Google if I can't remember the tune, or if I maybe learned a tune some time ago and then I'm playing it again, but I can't remember, is that the correct version of it, or is that actually the version, because there's so many different. Then I can go back and listen to the old recordings where there'll be all this like scratching and the sounds from the really old recordings, and just try to take that from the old world, or what you say, and then put it into now and the present.